Hello everyone, this is Rahul. So you must have seen this type of reel in Instagram and it's going viral. So in this video I will show you how to make this type of reel in very simple way. In just 5 to 10 minutes your video will be ready. But don't miss any steps, watch this video till the end. So first of all we will need this type of poster. So either you can directly go to my Instagram profile and download this is common for everyone. So or go to ChatGPT, open your ChatGPT and paste this prompt. So this is a prompt number 1. Either you can generate from the prompt or you can download from my Instagram. So just keep a note of all those prompts. At the end I will tell you how to get all this prompt for your video editing. And the second image we will need this way. So to generate this you have to select any photo of yours which is having your clear face and a straight one. So you don't need a full pictures or anything. Even if just face is there, that is enough. Open your ChatGPT, upload your this picture and paste this prompt too. So once you will send it in ChatGPT, the image will be generated in this way. So both the image is generated now. Now we have to convert this photo into a video. So for that, open any browser and search as Frame AI. So here, once you will open, here you will see the option as new project. Click on this one and select the option as here the frame to video. So once you have selected this, select the first image as the Mahadev one and the second image of yours that you have generated, the second image. So after this you have to use this prompt, the third one. You have to paste it here and click on send, and you just have to wait for a couple of seconds. Then the video will be generated. Then click on the 3 dot on the top of this video and you can save it to your mobile phone. So if you want, you can pre-cut or you can cut any part of the video if you think that is not needed, and you can go to my Instagram profile and select this audio and you can upload your reels. So I hope you will find this video useful. So, and one more thing, for all this prompt, you open my Instagram profile and just DM me you need a prompt for this Mahadev reel. I will send you 1, 2, 3, all 3 prompt together. So I hope you will find this video useful. Thank you.